Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Outlook distribution list. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, you'll first want to head over to the Outlook website. After successfully logging into Outlook, navigate to the Mail section. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find various tabs and options. Look for Go to Groups option. This is typically where you can manage your contacts and create new groups or lists, which we'll be doing next. Now, find and click on the New Group option. This will open up a new window or pane where you can start defining the details of your distribution list. When you click on this, you'll see that Outlook prompts you for several pieces of information to set up your new distribution list. You'll need to give your group a name. Additionally, you may want to add a short description. Once you've named your group and added a description if desired, it's time to create it. Look for the Create button on the screen, and clicking this will officially establish your new distribution list so that you can start adding members to it. The next step is crucial because it involves adding mail contacts to your distribution list. This action will enable you to add email addresses to your group. You can add members one by typing in their email addresses. Notably, Outlook gives you control at every step, ensuring you're adding the right recipients and avoiding any mistakes. If you're unsure or want to pause, you do have the option to select Not Now at this point. And that's it. You've successfully set up a distribution list in Outlook. So that is how you can create Outlook distribution list. So that's all for this video. Thanks.